Hey guys, I'm going to get on here and give you a daily dose of encouragement. First of all, before that, I want to show you a couple of lipsticks I'm using. These are not cruelty-free lipsticks. Those of you who don't mind that or have them in your stash and want to use them up. That's what I'm doing. Apologies, excuse me. I'm doing the Maybelline, the Super Stay Matte Ink. This is what I have on today. I love it. Um, I hate that Maybelline is not cruelty-free makeup because I really want to start using that. If you know of a lipstick that's cruelty-free, that's a great stain, that covers and stays on, please let me know. Just do it in the comments if you will. But this Superstay Matte Ink Maybelline, I like it. This color, let me see if I've got let me see, where's my glasses? See if there's a number on here, what the number this one is, because I've had several people ask me. It just says 505700. I don't know if that's the number of it. Oh, man, let's see here. It might be on this part. No, it doesn't say what kind, what is. Oh, I'm sorry. Here it is. 80. This is number 80. So, if you're interested in doing one, I like it. I've been wearing it. And my husband made a comment. He said, did you just put lipstick on? I said, no. And she said, it's still on. And this was last night. And he never really said anything before, but I guess the outfit I had on or whatever, but it just showed that I had the lipstick on. But it stayed on all day long. It's hard to believe, but I've had this on since a couple hours, and it doesn't come off. It doesn't come off. So but if you know one that is cruelty free, let me know if you will. Okay. All right. I love this color though. I want to get on and just give you a little daily dose of encouragement today to encourage you to love one another, be kind to one another. If you're around people that like to talk about someone or on the negative, kid about them, make fun of them, um, just being kind, I encourage you to stay away from those people. I don't know sometimes if people are unkind and unloving, not loving because they were that way when they were growing up. Were they taught that? Because when you're born to be happy and loving and you giggle. You don't know hate. You don't know unkindness. You don't know nothing but positive when you're born. You giggle, you laugh, you're sweet, you're kind. You don't know. You don't know to be unkind. Have you ever met somebody when you were in school? They were unkind. Were their parents unkind? Were their grandparents unkind? Were a family member unkind? Even if you have a family member that's unkind, you can make a conscious decision to be kind. Love one another. There's too much hatred out there. Love one another. Don't talk about one another. If you do talk about someone, talk in a wonderful light, a positive light. Life is so very short, and I've said it 100 times on my channel. I've been doing this channel for so long, but when I see any kind of unkindness, hatred, or talking about people, it hurts my heart. So, be kind. Think before you say something. Love one another. Don't be jealous of anybody. I can say I have never been jealous of anyone in my life. If you have 1 million, 2 million, 3 million subscribers, even if you're a YouTuber, I love you anyway. If you've got 50, I love you anyway. I've never been jealous and never will be jealous. So, as you go today, It doesn't matter what you do. If someone's got a new car, get a new home, they've got a new baby, they got whatever they have. Change your mindset that you're so proud for them. It may not have happened to you, but that doesn't make things better that you are talking about them or being mean to them. Be kind. If you want to watch my channel, you want kindness, you'll have it. If you want upbeat, you'll have it on this channel. But you will not hear me say one negative thing about anyone, even if they were being negative against me. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are, as I always say. And give that smile. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I'm sending you a hug and love. Until tomorrow, I love you. Hope you feel that hug.